To solve an inequality, it's just like solving an equation. The one thing you have to keep in mind is if you multiply or divide both sides by a negative, you have to flip the inequality symbol. That's because the bigger the digits are for a negative number, the smaller the number actually is. So that's kind of the rationale behind that. Okay, so here's the inequality symbols. Treat that like the equals. You want to add that 8x to both sides to make it disappear on the right, I should say. That's gone. So negative 10x plus 8x makes negative 2x. And then we got plus 12, greater than symbol, and then we still had a minus 14 over here. Still trying to get x by itself, so I'm going to subtract that 12 from both sides. So negative 14, if I subtract 12, I'm going further back in the negative, so I add those digits. And then to get x by itself, I divide negative 2 from both sides. So that means I'm flipping that inequality symbol like I said at the beginning. Okay, so we got x is less than 13. So this is what Newton's software looks like for making this stuff. When you graph it, we want all numbers less than 13 is what that says, because the alligator's eating 13. So 13 is bigger than x. That means x is the smallest thing. X has to be something smaller than 13 for the alligator to want that meal. So here's 0. Here's 13. In Newton, you want to move this switch down to open. And then you want to point the blue line all the way over here until it hits infinity, because it needs to be all numbers less than 13.